XGIMI T10 Smart Cinema Projector Review. 1. Key features and specifications: superior image quality. High brightness, 5000 CVIA lumens in movie mode. Officially certified by authoritative testing institutions. Large chip. Features a 0.78 DMD chip, providing a 2.8x increase in effective display reflective area compared to the previous 0.47 generation. This results in sharper image detail and significantly higher brightness. Full-frame master lens. An industrial-grade lens with a diameter of 85 mm, featuring a 1.2-1.8.1 throw ratio, large lens shift, and an f-number 2.0 large aperture for exceptional picture quality and convenient use. High contrast and HDR. 5000-1001 ultra-high dynamic contrast ratio. Utilize a self-developed Tri-X HDR algorithm and is certified for IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision HDR10+, and HDR Vivid for a true cinematic experience. Intelligent image adjustment. Smart bidirectional optical shift. Offers vertical shift of +100% and horizontal shift of +40%, easily adapting to various home environments to achieve a pristine, lossless picture with virtually no gray borders. Smart Micro Motion Cloud Platform. An innovative internal optical self-guidance system that automatically and precisely corrects the projection, allowing you to point where you want it to project. Advanced eye protection. Eagle Eye Pro. Super spatial eye care. Ultra-long distance protection. Protective sensing distance up to 6.5 mm, a 1.76 improvement. Ultra-wide angle protection. Spatial perception range within 2.5 meters is enhanced by 9.6 XGIMI, allowing it to preemptively trigger protection. Uses quad sensors for comprehensive scene-based anti-blinding protection. Powerful performance. Processor. Equipped with the flagship MediaTek MT9681 chipset for substantially increased computing power. Memory. Standard 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM storage for smooth operation. 2. Brand leadership. XGIMI is the #1 global home projector brand. Ranked #1 in shipment volume in the Chinese projector market for 7 consecutive years and #1 in both shipments and sales for 5 consecutive years. Ranked #1 in the global home projector market for 2 consecutive years. Global cumulative shipments have exceeded 7 million units. 3. 11.11 promotion details. Product T10 promotion. Period. Starts October 15th, 8 p.m. Promotional price. Why? 187,999. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment, love to hear what you think.